advantages that needs to be added. Third one is security. We will discuss about the security topic today. And fourth one is shareability. The fifth one is abstraction. Let me do the spell check here. Fifth one is abstraction. These are the advantages of creating Java packages. We will understand one by one today. So yesterday I have just given a heads up for modularity, reusability. We will understand all these categories today. We will complete this today, right? So let us go back to our topic. Yesterday what we have discussed. So I got an assignment, or I got a requirement from a client. This is just an assumption. I have got a requirement from a client. The client wants me to develop a calculator application, right? What I am doing, me as a manager or me as a team leader, since I have 4 members under me, right? Since my team capacity is 4, so I am dividing the task into 4 parts, right? As per our yesterday's examples, each and every task has been divided. This task has been given to Ganesh. This task has been given to Samyukta. This task has been given to Sam, and this task has been given to Aravind. These were the names. This is how I have divided the task. One task, one functionality. I mean, one application. All the functionalities in that application has been divided separately, right? So this Ganesh was taking care of additional functionality. Ganesh, and the Samyukta, he was taking care of what? Subtraction. The Sham was taking care of multiplication, if I am not wrong, and Arvind was taking care of division. Right? So if you observe here, if you notice something here, I have created 4 individual packages. I have created 4 packages, and each and every package is holding a functionality. What functionality? If I'm talking about functionalities like addition functionality, Ganesh was developing additional functionality as per the example. This is just an assumption. Subtraction functionality. So under each and every package, we have developed a functionality and placed it in an independent packages, right? So this is how it was created, right? But my requirement is I want to place all these functionalities in the sense subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. I want to place all these under one package. I do not want to create 4 packages. That is going to create a lot of confusion, right? This addition class, this addition functionality or class, this subtraction, division, multiplication, I want to place everything instead of creating separate packages. So in this case, the package is counted to 4 numbers, right? I do not want 4 packages. I don't want 4 numbers. I want all these functionalities to place under one package. Let us say that this is a particular package. I want this add functionality, right? Ganesh, you create that functionality and please place it in this package. And I am I'm advising Samyukta to develop a package for subtraction functionality and place it in one package, the same package. Aravind, I'm instructing him to do the same thing. Instead of keeping it in separate package, I'm asking him to do the same. Place it in one package. And Sham, I'm also telling him the same thing, right? So after developing the functionality, is going to keep everything in one package, right? So this concept, see, if you take like previous example, right, it's going to be an hectic task to identify and to import each and every functionality from each and every person or each and every package, because I need to import 4 packages separately, right? If every functionality is placed in one package, it will be an easy task for me, right? If you observe this, if you notice one thing here, right? Notice one thing. These classes, addition, subtraction, division and multiplication, they are completely similar. Like they are They are very purposeful. Purposeful in the sense they are similar to each other. Similar to each other in the sense mathematically they are similar to each other because they are combinedly performing the calculation. That is the reason why I have mentioned there as what? Similar classes. A Java package is a collection of what? Similar classes. Right? We can just mention classes, but that is not the case. Similar classes. You may be the interviewer can ask you a question. Why it is similar classes? Because functionalities are always similar. Even though they are performing the different operations, they all fall under the same category. You know what I mean? Right? That is why it is called as what? Similar classes. Right? Just type S in the chat box if you have understood till now. Why it is called similar classes? Why it is called collection of similar classes? This is the explanation. Just type S in the chat box if you have understood till now so that we can proceed further. Okay, got it. Okay, sounds good. Now the question is, sir, everything was okay. How to place all the functionalities in a single package? That is the question. Very, very easy. Very, very simple. Right? Use the same package name for all the functionalities. As simple as that. Right? Yesterday, we have created a package like Ganesh. In the name of Ganesh, we have created one package. In the name of Samyukta, we created another package and so on. Right? Today, let's take a common package. Let's make the package name as common. Let us say the package is what? Common. For understanding, I am saying it is common, but in reality, it should be very meaningful. Okay, package is common, right? Ganesh was, the task. The Ganesh task is to develop what? Additional functionality. The class is mandatory. Now let us keep the name of the class as what? Addition. No worries, I will just write one class and I will do the copy paste, so it will not take much time. Addition class, and the functionality is what? Public static void add. Right? Take two inputs, integer A, integer B, and in the method block, usually we call this as methods, but in C and C++, we don't use the concept of, we don't use this terminology like methods. They call it as functions. But in Java, we represent the functionality in the form of methods. Right? Methods represents what? Functionality. So we do not call it as functions. Instead, we call it as methods. Remember that. Okay. To add system.out println A plus B. Right? Let's think from the beginner. I have already said when we are writing a piece of Java code, we have to ensure that we have to think like a beginner. How a beginner thinks. First, let us save this code. File, save. And the source file should be saved with .java extension. And the name of the file should be same as the class name. Here the class name is what? Addition. Right? It is saved. The saving is successful. To create a package, let's go to the command prompt. What is the command to create the package? Very simple, self-explanatory. We have seen this. Java C space -d space dot space file name. File name is what? Class name. Addition.java. Why addition.java? This is the folder. This is the file name. We have used this extension to save, right? Use the same name, addition.java. Addition.java. Right? So this command is going to create a package. It is going to perform compilation. Compilation is what? It will check for any errors. At the same time, if the code is error free, it will create the package. Just like that. So this command is going to do two operations, compilation as well as package creation. Remember that. You have seen this yesterday. You can refer the yesterday's video if you have those. Was clear explanation yesterday's class, right? So let me open this. The common package is created. The common package addition.class file is there, right? Now our duty, our job, our goal is to do what? Include all the functionalities in the same package. Now let us understand this. Let us name this package as common. Common. Sometimes I may do spelling mistakes. When you are writing notes, make sure that the spellings are correct. Okay, corrected. Common. So additional functionality is placed in the common package. We want to place a subtraction functionality, and yesterday the task was assigned to Samyukta. So under package common, just do subtraction. Subtraction. Just change the operator a minus b. Now inputs are going to be same. We are not going to change any of this. Right? Same file. I'm just changing the functionality. I mean the class name as to subtraction. Instead of that, let me create sub. Meaningful name. And everything will be same. I have just changed the operator to minus. Let me do save as. Instead of addition, now it should be subtraction.java. Subtraction.java. I have saved. Now compilation. The command for compilation is java c space -d dot followed by subtraction.java. I am getting this error. File not found. Let me go to the folder. Subtraction. Subtraction.java. Okay, I did a spell. I have done a little spelling mistake. Let me copy this. Okay, it is compiled and it is package has been created. What is the proof? Go back to the folder. Under this common folder, we have two classes. One is addition, second one is subtraction. Right? And the third one is multiplication. Let me do that for you real quick. Multiplication, and let me use mul instead of a minus b, a into b. We do save as. Multiplication.java. Copy this, save. Multiplication. So everything is getting added in the common package. Right? Yesterday it was not the case, isn't it? Yesterday we had created 4 different packages. Under each and every package we have the respective functionality, the specific functionality. But today that is not the case. All the .class files are placed in a common package. Right? And one more thing is remaining, and we need to do that. Give me a minute. Division a divided by b. Use a meaningful name division. File save as division.java. Right? Save. Java save. All the .class files are placed in a unique package, or we can say that in a single package. Right? This is the reason why, and now we will understand the advantages of this. So let's see the advantages. Why keeping all the similar .class files in a single package? You will see the advantages, right? So this is now this is giving some justification. We have ensured that all the functionalities are placed in one package, right? So if you see this definition, like a Java app package is a collection of similar classes, interfaces, and sub packages. We will discuss this. I'm going to give some justification for these two words. No worries. Now this is justified. Similar classes, collection of similar classes. This is why similar classes. This is highly recommended. You can also do this. You can create separate packages and you can add separate functionalities. That is also possible, but that is not recommended. Why it is not recommended? We will understand this now. Right now our functionality is what? Samyukta has done the job. Ganesh has done the job. Sham and Arvind has done the job. Right? Everyone done the job. Now we have to combine all these functionalities. Additional functionality, subtraction functionality, division functionality. This is what? Multiplication. Right? All the separate functionalities are combined into a single entity. Right? What we have done till now, all the separate functionalities has been combined into a single entity. This process is called what? Modularity. This is called what? Modularity. I ask you, what is modularity? Dividing the tasks or functionalities into bits and pieces, and after it is developed, combining all the functionality together into a single entity. So that it is going to represent the functionality as a whole. This process is called modularity, and this could be achieved with the help of Java packages. I hope this is making some sense. What is modularity? Very simple. This definition is required. If you understand this, if you want to understand this definition, these things are required, right? I hope this is making some sense, right? Dividing the task and combining the task together. Right? Today we have learned how to ensure that all the functionalities are placed under one package. All the similar functionalities placed under one package. Right? So this is making some sense. Let's go and discuss about another topic. Topic is like import statement. So this is also a popular question. You must pay some attention here. How to import, how to access package from another package. So how can I access a package from another package? I have many packages. I want to access other packages from a package that I am operating on. Right? There are three possibilities. So there are three ways to do so. First way, in all the three ways we use import keyword. So this is something very important. all the three ways we use what? Import keyword. Import directly, you can use package name dot star. If you use this package dot star, package name dot star. So in our example, the name of the package is common, right? The name of the package is common, right? If I want to use this, just replace this package with common, right? When I say package here, it means the actual package. So this also means that if I do this, all the classes I can get access to all the classes that is available inside this common package. How many classes are there? 4 classes are there. At a time I can able to get access to the 4 classes. Access in the sense I have the permission to use this all 4 functionalities. That is what I mean by accessing. Right? If I do star, it means all the classes inside this package. I can get access to all the classes inside this package. Secondly, if I want to use only one functionality, I do not want all the functionalities, I want to use only one functionality. Just use the package name dot class name. Right? And thirdly, if I do not want to use import keyword, use fully qualified. So this is how how to access a package from another package. This is just the theory. Let us understand this little bit through the practical examples. Right now we have combined all the functionality into the single functionality. I need a class now. So I need a separate class to operate all these functionalities. Right? To operate all these functionalities, I need to create a separate class. So we usually call that class as driver class. What is it? Driver class. Let me write it here. Driver class. What is a driver class? This class is going to have the main method from where the execution starts. Right? The class which is having the main method is called as driver class, and the main method is something where the execution starts. Right? Now, as a manager, I got you have submitted your functionalities to me. I need to run this. I need to test this. Right? Let me write a class to test this. Let me open a new notepad. Right? So let me create a package calculator this time, because this is the driver class. Driver class is nothing but I am going to test all the functionalities that you have that we have created just. Now let us understand. Let us say that let us use all these import things. Import package. If I do this, import package dot star. The name of the package is what? Common. Right? So I need to get access to all the classes that is available in this common package. So I should be using what? The package name as common. Right? Common dot star. If I do this, I have access to all the functionalities inside this package. I have access to all the functionalities. Let us run this first, then we will test the remaining two categories. Let me run this first. Common class Name of the class is, let us say, the driver class. Driver. Any meaningful name you can give, right? Since it is a driver class, means I should be like, I should contain the main method. I should add the main method here. From the main method, the program starts. Public static void string array args. If you remember yesterday's topic, we have used 4 input statements, one input after the another. Today, that is not the case. With the one input keyword, we are able to access all the class that is falling inside this common package, right? So now I have access to addition package. I have access to what? I have access to all these classes: addition functionality, division, multiplication, subtraction. So in order to get individual access, I need to create object, and again, object creation is something like memory allocation. Addition obj equal to new. We will discuss about all object creation in detail in the future classes, and since this topic is on packages, I'm just giving the heads up on packages. Right? So use object obj dot. Name of the method is what? Add. Right? Give two numbers, 100 and 100. Any two inputs, right? The expectation is what? You give any two inputs, and the expected output should be the addition of these two inputs. The expected output should be what? 200. Right? So let me save this. Calculator.java. Save. Calculator.java. I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. My bad. So I need to save this as class name, right? Save as, it should be driver.java, not calculator.java. Okay. Driver.java. So compilation and package creation is successful. Let us check that. We have a calculator and we have a comma. Now what is the theory that we have understood? We go back, right? What did I just say? How to access a package from another package, right? So now I am in this package, calculator package, right? Where did it go? Now I am in the calculator package, right? I am trying to access the functionalities in the common package. That is what the discussion is, right? How to access a package from another package. The first way I am using import package.start, right? So import package name is common.start. This is the one way of accessing. If I run this, output is what? Output should be the addition of two numbers. So to run this, I need to use java space package name calculator dot class name driver. 1 minute, let me do the spell check. Okay, it is small letter. So we make a lot of mistakes when we use the command prompt. That's why command prompt is always recommended, so that we will learn a lot from the mistakes. See, the output is 200, right? So this is one way. So this is giving me an option to get access to not only the addition method, not only the addition functionality. I can also get access to subtraction functionality. I can also get access to multiplication, division. Right? That is the advantage of this. But if you want me to do that, I can do that as well. Let me import subtract sub. For that, let me do the spell check. subtraction. Okay. Subtraction obj1 equal to new subtraction, right? Obj dot sub 100 comma 20, two inputs, 100 comma 20. The output should be the difference of these two inputs. Right, let me save this. Let me run. This is not getting restored. I need to compile, right? In 3 errors, right? Subtraction. Let me do the spell check. Subtraction. Okay. Oh, check. Okay. OBJ1. See, we do a lot of mistakes using. Now it is fine. Again, there is an error. Calculator. I mean, it should be small. I'm sorry. 280. Right. What I have just did. So with the help of this import statement, I am able to get access to all the functionalities, right? And the second thing is, if I want to import the particular functionality, like I can do like this. Instead of doing this, if I want to just import multiplication, right? I have addition, I have subtraction, I have division, I have multiplication. I have 4 functionalities, but I want to get access to only one functionality, which is multiplication. Right? This is how we can do. Import common dot multiplication. We are being very specific here. Very specific. So in this case, if I run this, I will be getting error. Why I will be getting error? Because I do not have access to this addition functionality. I do not have access to this subtraction functionality. Right? Restrictions are placed because I am just importing what? The specific functionality, which is multiplication. That's the reason why I will not have access to this. If I run this, I will get error. Right? Let me save this. Let me compile this. You will see the error. It says cannot find symbol. Subtraction. Cannot find symbol. Addition. It's not able to identify this because we, as a developer, we haven't defined the right path. We have used import statement. This import statement is not importing the addition and subtraction functionalities. It's just importing multiplication functionality. That's why we are getting error. So this is a second way of accessing packages. You can access a specific functionality. The third one is fully qualified name. What if I want to make this? What if I want to make this particular driver class to work? I can do like this, right? Addition. Subtraction. Now I have access to both. Subtraction. My mistake. Subtraction. Let me save this. Now it will work out. Now it will work because I am being very specific. I am importing specifically addition. I am importing specific subtraction. So I can use this. I can pass inputs to get the relevant output. Right? Output is coming. This is just self-explanatory. And the last one in the import statement is what it says. Fully qualified name. Fully qualified name is nothing but, do not use this. Forget about using import statement. Instead, directly use the package name here. right? Addition is the class, and addition is inside the common package, right? So I will be using what? Fully qualified name. Fully qualified name is nothing but I will give the instruction like common dot addition. Common dot addition. This is nothing but fully qualified name. And again here I will include common dot addition. So let me do the spell check whether the common is it's in lowercase letter. Common dot addition. Common dot addition. And again here I have to here also I need to do the same thing. Common dot addition. Again common dot addition. Right, this is nothing but what? Fully qualified name. These two are the examples of fully qualified name, right? So the syntax is very simple. Let me write the syntax on top of this. Package name dot class name obj equal to new package name dot class. This is nothing but fully qualified name. So if you do not want to use import keyword, you can use this fully qualified name. This will work. Let me save and run this and show it to you. Just save this compilation. Every time whenever you are saving, you need to perform the compilation. Compilation is successful. Let me run this. It is working, isn't it? Right. So this is how the import. This is how we can categorize how to access package from another package. So right now I am on the common package. Right. I have created it. So I need to access this functionalities that is from common package, and I am operating from a different package. So my package name is what? Driver package. No, calculator package. You see this? If you see this diagrammatic illustration, so from calculator package I am operating. I am trying to get access. I'm trying to get access by using which keyword? Import keyword. With the help of import keyword, I'm trying to get access. By using import keyword, we can get access in two ways. Import space package dot star. This is going to give access to all the packages. Or import space package dot specific functionality. Well, in this case, addition. This is going to give me access to the specific package. If you do not want to use this import keywords, you can go for fully qualified name. This is how access can be granted. Right? This is all about what? Modularity. Right? Separating the functionalities and combining it together. And these things, right? And if in future, if I have a requirement to use only additional functionality, if I have a requirement to perform only addition operation, I can create my own package. Right? I can create my own package and I can import the functionalities that is falling under common package, which is addition. Right? If I will be facing such requirements in the future, because when you develop a particular functionality, that is not going to be fixed to the particular application. You can use that in various applications. That requirement will come. Right? So this is the typical case where I am introducing the concept of what? Reusability. I can reuse this, isn't it? I can reuse this additional functionality if I have a requirement, if I have a such requirement in future in any other application, not the calculator application, in any other application, a different application. Let us say that this is a different application where I require only additional functionality. future requirement. I can do this. This concept is called reusability. This is why we call it as the second advantage, which is what we are talking about, reusability, right? And the shareability and the reusability, both the things are almost same, but there is a marginal difference between shareability and the reusability. Right? Reusability means you can reuse this function over and over again. So if you want to reuse this in a different application, you can do that. Right? Shareability is going to, we are going to talk about the shareability along with the security. First I will complete security, then you will get the better understanding about shareability. Right? So before even understanding about security, let me introduce one more topic. The topic name is how to create sub packages. We have spoken about creating the packages. Now we are like in the verge of conclusion. After this, the packages topic is going to over. The topic is how to create sub packages. And you might be wondering what's the purpose of creating all these packages. The real application cannot be developed just like that. It will be divided into many modules. Each and every module is going to represent a package. So this understanding is very important, and this is the low level understanding. As we go forward, I will be introducing a lot of concepts where we will be using packages indirectly. That will make a lot of sense, but this little understanding is necessary to proceed further. Hope making sense. So my topic is how to create sub packages. Very simple. So let me give you a real-time analogy. For example, like if I am a person and if I am giving my information to my to my employer, my information is not going to be a straightforward information. For example, if they want to track my location, if they want to trace my location, tracing my location is not going to be a direct thing. Right? To talk about the location is going to be what? Again, my location is going to be divided into many parts. Right? First, my state name or my country name, and inside my country, there will be many states. Right? So I am from Tamil Nadu, and again inside the Tamil Nadu, city name or district name. Again inside the district, the city name, and so on. It keeps going, right? The answer is not going to be straightforward. The location should be dragged from the larger value to the smaller value. We can say that from the largest perspective to the smallest perspective. It keeps going. I mean, it is like just like tracing something, digging something, right? If I take another analogy, if you want to save something in your system, usually we don't we prefer, if we want to save some security information, we always try to save that not in an organized fashion. Like we keep a track of it, just like we will open C drive, and inside C drive we will keep an open an empty folder, and within that we'll be creating several folders, and there will be several subfolders, and we will keep that information where we find that it is going to be secure and it is very difficult to be reached by other persons, right? So this is talking about what security, and this analogy is nothing but this is talking about the tracking. You cannot track me directly, so high level information from the high level to low level, right? Likewise, if you're talking about the system folders, you keep creating new folders with a folder within a folder and multiple folders within a folder, and that is where you're going to save the secure documents, right? So and so this is something important, right? Because it is talking about our integrity and security. Likewise, in Java, we have an option to create sub packages, right? So what is the purpose of creating sub package? If you ask me, sub package is very simple. Package, it's a package within a package, right? So you can create this to categorize your packages further, right? So what does it mean exactly? I will explain. So accidentally I have deleted that also. How to create sub packages in Java. It's very simple. The standard way of defining, like for example, there should be a role. We should use a role. What is a role? Role is very simple. This is the syntax. Package name, package is a keyword, and use the domain name, right? Company name or package name, right? What does it mean? If you say, if you want to use the facebook.com, so this is what the Facebook website is, right? www.facebook.com, and the sub package has to be created in this fashion in the reverse order. What is the reverse order? form.facebook.www. This is how the sub package needs to be created for any website. For any website, or not only for the website, to create the sub packages, you should follow the reverse domain order. Right? Com is the domain name, and company, you can choose any company, like you can keep your name, and you can keep a meaningful package name. Let us understand this with the example. Let me take package. This is the typical package can be created with a name. Name is like previously we have created common. This is a typical package. But if you want to create sub package, use the reverse domain order. Use the reverse order of any website. Right? Form dot. Let us say that I have a website. Right? My name of the website is Balaji. Java. Since I am teaching Java, I am using Java. Right? Public class simple. I'm keeping this class as simple. Right? Static void name string array box. Right? System dot println. So I just want to see, display what learning sub packages. A simple program, and this is representing a sub package. Right, let me save this file. Save as. The file name should be what? The class, same as the class name. Simple dot Java. Right? Save it successfully. So I need to perform the compilation. So for compilation, Java C space compilation, and I need to create the sub package. -t space dot space. The name of the class is what? Simple, isn't it? Simple dot Java. So compilation is successful because it is not throwing any errors. If you go back to my folder and check, can you see here? Form. Just go here. Form Balaji Java. Inside com, I have a folder called Balaji. Inside Balaji, I have a folder called Java. Inside Java, the dot class file is present. Right? This is how a typical sub packages can be created. Right? Why we need to create sub packages? One line answer. First, what is sub package? A package inside a package is called a sub package, and it is created to categorize. We are going to categorize the package further. We will give the separate categorization for these packages. Right? It is not a normal typical package. It is a sub package. Sub package is going to categorize some additional functionalities that we will be discussing tomorrow. Right? Don't worry much about this. Let us recap what we have discussed so far. We have discussed about modularity in an elaborate fashion today, and we have also discussed about the placing all the functionalities under one package. Yesterday we have placed the functionalities under the individual specific package. Today we have combined all the functionalities under one package. Right? And we have also come to know about the advantages. On top of it, we have also discussed about how to access these packages with import keyword, and these are the three ways to access the package. And we have also discussed about fully qualified name. This is what the fully qualified name. Without using import keyword, we can access to the functionalities with the fully qualified name. I have just introduced about sub packages, and moreover, we have also seen about reusability. Reusability is nothing but if you have a different application, and if you have a requirement to add one of the functionalities that is under common package, you can use that. That is talking about what reusability. And so this specifically, I have explained about collection of similar classes. This is what it means, collection of similar classes. And this is not a compulsion. This is a recommendation. This is highly recommended to keep all the similar classes under one package, so that it will be very, very easy for us to access, and this will be, it will ensure that it will remain there in an organized. Right? I want you to repeat this once again. If you have time, watch this video once again. I will be putting this video in the YouTube, because these things you need to get perfection in these things. That it will be very easy. Java is going to be very easy if you learn these things. They are very fundamentals.